So if you're ready to take your husband from daddy to daddy, you need to check out this DadMode household cleaning starter set. Picked this up from Amazon, sent to me from DadMode store. And when I tell you this stuff is amazing, this stuff is amazing. Your starter set is going to come with 4 different bottles here, as well as 3 sprayers. One of the bottles already has like a little attachment there, so you don't need the spray bottle for it. But I love how everything is included here. And you have 4 different things. You have your liquid laundry detergent, which I used and smells amazing. You have your instant spot cleaner. You have some deep stain remover, which works so well. And the Every Surface Cleaner, which I am legit addicted to. It also comes with 3 sprayers. Now, let me tell you, I thought I was pulling a slick one. I got this to encourage my husband to clean because this stuff smells amazing. It smells like sandalwood and suede. And trust me, you've never smelled a cleaner like this. But the trick was on me because I like this stuff so much, I use it every single day. Lucky for him, he still hasn't had to lift a finger. So we're going to go ahead and put the spray bottle in, and we are going to get busy testing this out. Now, just a quick fact for you. At the time of filming this video, I had just received the package. Now, at this point of recording the voiceover, I've used this for about 2 weeks. And when I say I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed. So out of all of these, this Every Surface Cleaner is probably my favorite. I use this on my countertops every single evening. It smells amazing. It smells luxurious. Not a lot of men want to clean with something that smells like a basket of flowers, a lavender. But trust me, they don't mind cleaning with this. Also, with the liquid laundry detergent, I wanted to go ahead and test it out. So I put some in the washing machine. Oh my goodness, this smell. I didn't use any of my laundry sheets. I didn't do anything. And it gives you instructions on how to use it on the back. Now, when it came to this towel, this is one of my cleaning towels. And I said, okay, let's see how well this deep stain remover actually works. So I'm just going to spray it and saturate it on, let it sit and throw it in the washer. And we're going to see how it turns out. When I pulled this out of the washer and put it in the dryer, came out like it was brand new. This stuff is not only like trendy because it smells good, and it's really cool because it uses refillable aluminum bottles. This stuff is actually amazing and works. Check it out at the DadMode store. I love mine. I think you'll love yours too.